Hello everyone and welcome to another AMP software update video. Today I'm going to be taking you through the latest update of AMP Replay. In this update we're going to be bringing audio capabilities to AMP Replay. We're providing you the ability to view the waveform of the audio in your videos, as well as being able to perform audio redactions in a simple and intuitive manner. We've also made some simple changes to the interface of AMP Replay, mainly some of the buttons that we use to navigate through our videos and apply ranges. So I'm going to highlight those changes as well throughout the video, just to make sure that you're aware of them and how they function. Okay, jumping into Replay then, the first big change that you're going to see here is that now we've got our audio waveform bar as well as our traditional player bar, which also shows the audio waveform. We decided to separate the audio waveform from the player bar so that you've got a dedicated part of the interface to do your audio redactions on. You can see that navigating through both the audio waveform bar and the play bar is nice and intuitive, nice and simple. We can just scroll through where we want. And with our audio waveform bar, it's depicting the audio volume peaks over time. And if we want to do something like scroll into a certain area of the video, we can just zoom into that part of the audio, and you'll see in the player bar it will highlight where in the video we're viewing the audio waveform. Before I move on to showing you how the audio redaction works, I just want to highlight a few changes to the interface. The first is a new button that you'll see, and that is the hide audio waveform and show audio waveform button. So if we were not interested in the audio in this video, we could simply just hide the audio waveform and Replay would go back to looking like it did before. Another change that we've made to Replay buttons is the stretch the selected range and delete the selected range when we're creating ranges in our video. So if I create a quick range here, I can stretch this range, show all frames, or delete the selected range. We've also moved some of the program settings into the program options button in the top right. Here you can see some of the options that you'd have seen in different places have appeared here now, such as the language and some of the export options. So just a few changes to the interface there that I wanted to highlight. Okay, so moving on to audio redaction then. So we want to be in the annotate tab for audio redaction, and you'll see we've got a new audio redaction window in the annotate tab. So removing audio using Replay is super simple. If I just play this video for you, you'll hear some of the audio.
I just gotta ask you a few more questions. You came down earlier tonight, me and you talked, all right. You don't have any weapons on you, do you? No. That's just you are. What's wrong? You know I'm Detective Patterson, right?
And let's say, for instance, we needed to remove a name out of some audio. To redact the audio, all we need to do is hold the Alt key button down and click and drag the area that you want to redact. So here we heard the detective give his name, and I've redacted this audio. You'll see in our audio waveform bar that audio will now show redacted, but in our play bar where the original audio was, you can still see what that audio used to look like. Now if I play this part, you can see we get the audio redacted annotation, and we've got a noise over the top of where that audio was. You can make multiple audio redactions just by using that Alt key in different parts of your video. Nice and simple. And you'll see that those audio redactions come to the audio redaction window on the right. Finally, I just want to show you that you can add comments to the redacted intervals. So if I select this redacted interval here, you can see I can now add a comment regarding it. So I can just put private information redacted. Now I have the option to display the comment or not, and I can display the graphics or not. So if I just want to leave my own personal comment, I can. Or if I just want this comment to be displayed in the report and instead just display the traditional graphics, then I can do that as well. Okay, so that's the end of this update video. I hope you enjoyed it. There's more about the update in the Amped blog post, so make sure you go check out the blog post, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this. Thanks again everyone, and until next time, take care.